Well, I just want to start out with mentioning make sure you subscribe down below to my channel, please. Trying to build up my subscription. That way you can get notifications on all my new posts. This video is going to be a basic unboxing of a set that I found online that I thought was pretty interesting, because right now my desk is everything's black. You can't see anything. Just something a little bit more colorful. Wanted to do a simple unboxing, show this product off, because it's probably going to be seen on a lot of my upcoming videos, because it's going to be part of this desk right here. So I figured do an unboxing, show the product. Hopefully people watch my videos and are interested in what is on my desk. So I want to show it off now so I don't have to go over it later. So let's do a simple unboxing. Let me grab something to break the tape. What I liked about this is it was a complete set. We got headphones, mouse, your keyboard, one of the things you hardly ever get is a mouse pad. Features are in here. Headphones out. Headphone, nice mic. These are actually designed to be a gaming setup. I actually liked it. Had some color, something to spice up the desk, because right now everything I have is just straight black. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing so everybody's aware of the new product that I have. I'll put a link down below to Amazon to do the purchase through an affiliate link, where if you purchase through that link, I'll make a little bit of money to help support the channel. Feel free to go through, shop around on that link, check out the item. I'll do some testing later on keyboard functions, but this is basically just going to be up here on my desk. This is just an additional computer that I have to do some things on in the office here, where I'm doing all my videos. When I get into doing upgrades and other things, that this computer will be used to show features and everything else. Thank you.